Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it just put it in the song. Alright.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seaport, my whole seaport, money, all rolling, big car keys in the trash, we rolling, deep to the top, rooftop clouds, with a handful of girls, and they all so foreign, bring some poison, rainbows falling, light skin chick, first light from falling, all around fence, first light from falling, full of things, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, yeah. Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say the fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seaport, my whole seaport.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me?